Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about how can I make my living room look stylish. So let's start the video. One of the most asked questions we receive is how can I make my living room look stylish? So let's move toward it. And first of all, add a personal touch. While coffee table styling or decorating shelf with your prized possessions can help to add a personal touch to your living room, and you can avoid a cluttered look so you don't have anything out on display. That's not to say you have to be totally minimalist in order for your living room to look stylish, but it's all about creating a balance and making sure items are out on display work well together for cohesive look. A few choice pieces like a vase, candle, and a couple of books can add the decorative detailing without being messy. Be guided by your home's period. If you are starting with a blank canvas, then it can feel a little overwhelming knowing what to do with the space. A good principle to follow is to add character in a way that is in keeping with the age of property. If you have a modern home, don't try and fake it, but instead work with the contemporary detail. Start with a neutral base. Seasonal interior design trend come and go. So the secret to keeping your living room looking stylish without completely redecorating the space year after year is by starting with a neutral base. Decorating the neutral allows you to introduce color and pattern through accent in accessories such as cushions, throws, and even switching up the prints on your wall from time to time. Use color branching to create impact. There are ways to using color other than on one feature wall in a living room. If you paint a wall, trim doors, cabinets, radiator, and even window frame in the same color, it will look thoughtful and sophisticated. This works particularly well with the soft grade blue and greens as well as any neutrals. A fresh coat of paint in a living room can often dramatically change the look and feel of space. A darker tone can make it feel cozier, while lighter shade can help to enhance the feeling of space. Ensure the TV instant the focus of the room. There are few television that actually look stylish on a wall or sideboard. So where space allowed, try to make sure your living room TV ideas don't take the center stage. Sure, if serves an important function, but it might not be something you want to dominate the space. Instead, have seating set up around a fireplace or place sofa opposite each other to encourage the conversations. Ensure the layout is planned to perfection. Sometimes you might have all the aesthetic element a stylish room need, but it is not functioning as well it could, throwing off the feng shui of whole space. So it's important to plan the overall living room layout ideas carefully. What important is that you are aware of curriculum of your room. Thank you so much guys for watching.